Okay, let's just say you're not adulting 101 yet and folding your clothes like you should be. You wake up, start your day, and now you have a wrinkly shirt. If you want to save yourself some time, here are a couple of hacks you could do at home to straighten out your shirt without using a fabric steamer or iron. As you can see, this shirt is pretty wrinkled. There are lots of fabric steamers on the market, but there's a more practical and cheaper alternative, and I'll tell you why steamers are a waste of money. All you really need is a spray bottle.
Next, start spraying down your shirt. You don't need to get it soaking wet, just damp enough so that the fabric begins to relax.
An additional advantage of using a spray bottle: space. A small plastic spray bottle takes up much less counter space than any fabric steamer. If you have a button-up shirt, I recommend that you button it first. After you dampen the areas that are wrinkled, the next step is to use what almost every household already has: a hairdryer.
If you dampened your shirt just right, it doesn't take very long to dry at all. In fact, it takes much less time to use a hairdryer than to take the steamer out, hook it up, and wait for it to steam. So here we have another wrinkled shirt. And just like before, we'll take our water bottle and just spray our shirt to dampen it. I know this isn't the most energy efficient way, but sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I'll just throw my damp shirt into a dryer while I brush my teeth. By the time I finish brushing, my shirt is pretty much wrinkle free. Alright, so let's recap. Fabric steamers can cost you anywhere from $20 to $60 or more. If you have limited counter space, you're going to have to find a place to store it. Using a steamer is not time efficient, as you have to take it out of storage, wait for it to steam, and when you're done, put it back again. A plastic spray bottle is more cost effective, as they're typically found in your local dollar stores. A plastic spray bottle takes up less space. By using the spray bottle and a hair dryer, or putting in the dryer, is much more time efficient. Thanks for watching. If you really like this content, please like and subscribe because it would really help with the YouTube algorithm gods. And don't forget to click the bell notification icon, which will alert you whenever I upload a new video, which hopefully won't be every 3 years.